Let's make one of my favorite recipes, Crockpot Kielbasa and Sauerkraut. You can use kielbasa, fresh kielbasa. This is what I'm using, chicken sausage, whatever you like. Chop it up into little pieces, bite-sized pieces, a little bigger. Again, this is very flexible. We have only a few ingredients. We're starting off with 32 ounces of sauerkraut, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. Here's our top secret ingredient. It's a Gala apple. Cut it into thin slices. That's really perfect. The thinner, the better. Put your apple into your crock pot. Add in some onions. I forgot to get a fresh one. I use frozen. Put in your chopped kielbasa, sausage, fresh, whatever it is you're using. Give it a good mix. And then we're going to cook it on high for either 4 hours or low for 6 hours. And here's what it looks like when it is done. It is gorgeous. Now look, the apples practically completely disintegrate. They turn into the sweetness. So it's like a sweet and sour now on your sauerkraut. It is absolute perfection. Delicious. Everybody's going to love this. I hope you love it. Let me know what you think of that secret ingredient. I'd love to hear. Give me all the likes, love, whatever you can. I appreciate it. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks, everyone.